Hello everybody, it is another Saturday, which means another vlog. Today I don't have the kitty with me anymore. She was picked up yesterday by my sister and I really miss her. Like, all her stuff is gone. There's no remains of Kitty anymore, and I did not think I was gonna get as attached to that cat as I did. I am much more of a dog person. I've had lots of cats in my life, and I love and adore cats too, but I just love the connection that you can have with a dog. But I just fell in love with this kitten, and I miss it so much. I can't stop thinking about her. But I guess that just means that my husband and I need to get a kitten when we move out, so. But today I have lots of catching up to do because, again, I had another really rough week at work, which means I wasn't able to pay any attention to my Etsy shop during the weekdays. So today I plan on vlogging. I plan on catching up with video stuff. I have videos ready to upload. I have videos I need to edit, and then I have one that I need to film today if I even get to it. It's not a big deal because I have so many already pre-filmed and edited. I need to plan in my planner, which that might be the video I film, I don't know yet. And I also want to catch up on design work. I feel like I'm so behind on designing. I don't have a lot of Christmas stuff, and at this point I don't think I'm going to be able to have a lot of Christmas stuff because it's already pretty late in the season. I don't have any New Year's Eve stuff yet, and just general new designs I don't have a lot of because honestly, I've been a mess. Like, my personal life is a mess because just my environment is a mess, so that makes me a mess. My work life is a mess because I have a lot of new management that is taking over and doing things differently, and I don't really appreciate it. My emotional life, personal life, work life, I don't know what other kind of life there is. Online life, my online life doesn't really exist right now because I'm hardly ever on Instagram, so I'm hardly, like, I'm barely there. Like, people don't know what I'm doing, so yeah. But today is a big catch-up day, and I'm going to start right now by uploading one of the videos I edited and then editing another one. I'm currently Dropboxing a bunch of footage from my phone to my computer. It takes forever and it's really inconvenient, so I'm just adding to that right now with this clip. And I need to do something Patreon related today. I feel like I've neglected my patrons this week just because I've had such a bad week. I will be sending out the subscriptions for my Darling Does tier, my $5 tier. I am sending out a sticker sheet, a die cut, and one of my pin back buttons. So if you want to become a part of my Patreon and receive that, even just for 1 month, all you have to do is pledge $5 and you will receive, well, like $5 worth of merchandise every month. So yeah, there's that. And other than that, I am just, it's big old catch-up day. Hopefully I have motivation to last most of the day, because a lot of times at like 2 o'clock I clock out and my brain can't take anymore. Working from home and motivating yourself to get stuff done is really hard, especially right now because I'm not busy. My shop isn't doing a lot of business. It's hard to stay motivated to keep things going sometimes, and I have talked about closing my shop after this holiday season because if I don't bring in more business than I am right now, I'm not going to be able to justify it because I spend so much time designing and working and formatting and making all these things for my shop, and I'm not getting a lot of orders. I don't get orders every day like every other shop. Like, when I get an order, it's a big deal. And that's not how it used to be. I used to get multiple orders every day. This used to be my full-time job, and it's not even part-time right now. It pays for itself, and that's pretty much it. So if I can't justify keeping on doing it, I'm not going to be able to, which breaks my heart because I love doing this. It's so much fun. It's such a good outlet for me, and it's not about the money for me. It really isn't. But when it comes to the point where I'm spending more money on it than I am getting out of it, I don't think it's a smart business decision for me, because I have bills to pay, and I want to move out of my parents' house someday, and my husband and I have lots of goals. So if this is going to put me in debt, I can't justify keeping on doing it, which really breaks my heart. So yeah, that's just a little short update. If I don't do good this holiday season, I'm probably gonna have to shut down. I don't want to talk about it right now. I don't really want to think about it, so I'm just trying to really prepare myself for this holiday season and set myself up to win. I know there's only so much that I can do. I know a lot of it just depends on the customers, so yeah. But I think I've said enough right now, and I'm just gonna get started on my day. I just finished editing the vlog. I think the most recent vlog that you'll see. Not 100% sure. But right now, I am going to plan in my planner. I decided I'm not going to film a plan with me this week. I'll do it like next week for Halloween, I think. I'm going to need a new insert by then anyway. So for the last week, I'm just going to do another fall spread, I'm pretty sure, since it is October. But yeah, I'm just going to get started on that right now. Alright, I just finished my spread. I'm not super happy with it, but it's a lot better than this week that I was so mad at. I haven't even looked at it again until just now. But I used some stickers from those Target $3 sticker books. I used to rely on them heavily. I haven't been using them recently, but I pulled them out because I was running low on ideas. So this is what I went with. My husband and I are taking a vacation. For me, it starts on Friday, but for him, it'll actually start on Monday. Yeah, I think it's cute. It's not super fall-ish, but there's like hints of fall. I don't know, with like these stickers and these stickers. Because I went with more of the pink tone washi tape, I didn't want to incorporate some like too much orange and stuff. So I kept it pretty simple. But I like these stickers a lot with the text. They're clear. I think they're nice. This sticker I really like too. Came from one of these books. So yeah, that's my spread for this week. So I just finished filming a video. I did a kind of like a walkthrough of my current fall planner setup and planner flip through. Just walking you all through my spreads and whatnot. So that was actually a pretty fun video to film. I usually don't do it like that, where I like sit down and talk to you guys. I usually just do a like, time-lapse type of thing where I just flip through the pages. But it was kind of therapeutic to like talk about everything. So if you liked that video, which it definitely went up before this vlog, let me know, because I would love to do more like that in the future. But now I have a lot of my to-do list done for the day. All I have left that I need to do is design work, which hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers, I can get a lot of designing done today. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on my Patreon principle for all my patrons. If you're pledge even just $1, you get a free principle. I'm trying to do them every month, but I think I'm actually going to be able to do them multiple times a month, like 2 or 3 times a month. I want to give my patrons free clip art to play with in their planners. So I'm going to work on getting a little like Halloween kit. I know Halloween is next week, but if I get it together now, they'll have time to like print it out and use it in their planners, in their scrapbooks, in their memory keeping, and what have you. So I'm going to work on getting that together right now. Alright, so I just finished putting together the little principle. I'm pretty happy with how it came out, especially with how last minute it was. I just included all of like the Lola Halloween bunnies dressed up in their little costumes. I included all of those designs and the full-size box stickers, and I zipped them all together in a file. And yeah, so all my patrons have those to work with now and have fun with. Personal use only, but if you want to join in on the fun, all you have to do is pledge $1 to my Patreon. I feel so guilty always saying all you have to do is pledge blah 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 to my Patreon. I'm not trying to like guilt you guys into pledging towards my Patreon page at all. It's just if you want, there's a lot of like extra content that you'll get on there that you won't get from me anywhere else. So yeah, that's why I let you know, just in case you're interested, but not like pushing it on you like a lot of people do nowadays. But yeah, it's about 1:30 in the afternoon now. I have everything on my to-do list done except design work, so I'm not in the creative mindset right now, I'm not gonna lie. So I feel like if I do design, I'm probably not gonna be happy with whatever it is I get done today, but I'm still going to try because I owe myself that much, because I'm so behind on designing new releases. So yeah, also when my mom gets home, which my parents have been gone all day, I have no idea where they are, but I'm gonna ask her to cut my bangs because this is ridiculous. I got my bangs cut before my wedding, but she did not cut them short enough at all. Like for my wedding pictures, in the whole day of my wedding, I don't have bangs. I had to clip these back because they were not short enough. They were already like to here, which is too long for me. So they're driving me nuts and I need to get rid of them. So yeah, hopefully gonna get those cut today. My mom only knows how to do full frontal bangs, but I don't even care anymore. I will have these straight across bangs again because I can't stand having this mess sweeping across my face. It looks like garbage. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that done, and yeah, I'm just gonna try and see what I can draw today. Hopefully something good. Alright, so I have been drawing now for about an hour and a half, which is kind of crazy to me because I feel like I have like nothing to show for how long I've actually been drawing. I've been working on some New Year's designs for a new collection revolved around New Year's, and I'm happy with the designs. They're not my favorite, but I think they're cute. I think they might work. I'm gonna make some patterns tomorrow or Monday and see how it looks. If I don't like it, I'll scratch it, but usually when I make patterns is when it starts looking better to me, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. My wrist hurts. I have really bad carpal tunnel. I'm only 23 years old, but like I feel like I get like the worst pain in my wrists whenever I draw or write or type or do anything with my hands. So I'm gonna give my wrist a break for the rest of the day. I need to eat some lunch and I'm just gonna chill. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Sorry if it was boring or whatever. I'm so sick of saying that because I know I say it in every vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna call it quits here for today. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day relaxing. My husband will be home soon-ish and we'll just be chill for the rest of the night. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!